The importance of writing articles. If you want inbound links to your site, one way to do this without paying is writing articles and post them in different sites that allow you to submit articles. Writing articles is one of the best ways to promote your website. It is one of the best ways to build the relations, credibility, and to help get people to know more about you and your area of expertise is to write articles. One advantage that you can get with writing articles is that if your article gets submitted, it is an automatic inbound link to your site without having to add a link on your site to them. People are always looking for good articles for their websites, blogs, and newsletters. By submitting your articles and allowing others to publish them free of charge, you begin to develop credentials in your field and essentially brand yourself through your name. Make sure you submit your article on the right category, and also make sure you write the articles according to their terms. If you don't follow the terms, then you won't have your article publish. It is through well-written articles and keeping your visitor wanting to learn more that you will see more traffic on your website. More traffic means more profit for you. By having lots of articles on lots of websites around the world, you automatically rank above average on search engines because of your link popularity. All those links in the resource box back to your site can make a big difference in search engine ranking. Need traffic? Write an article. Need sales? Write an article. Need your name branded? Write an article. Writing newsletter articles can do all of these and more. So start writing articles now.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.